So guys, in this video we'll be learning how to transfer Atom from a.io exchange to our Keplr exchange. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you get the Keplr wallet on Google Chrome. So as you can see, my Keplr wallet is already set up. So to download your Keplr wallet, what you just need to do is to go to Google and type in Keplr wallet Chrome extension. So you notice that out of the search results this comes up, then you just go ahead to install it, save your seed phrase and password, and you're good to go. It's a very flawless, easy process to go through. Right, so if it opens, you see this one that is showing here is what you need. Is that okay? Keplr is a browser extension only for the interblockchain ecosystem. So you just click on it and it should download. You install it just like you install your normal plugins. So once it has installed, you come to this section where you have extension. You see it there, right? So make sure it's pinned. It's only when it's pinned that you can see it here, so that you have easy access to it anytime. It's alright. So once you click this one, it should bring up this mini window for you, right? Keplr mini window. Is that okay? So it should bring up this particular mini window for you, right? So if you want to access the web version of your Keplr wallet, you go to wallet.keplr.app. Don't worry, the link to access the web version will be dropped in the description. Right, so having explained this, let us head over to our get.io interface. But before we go, what we just need to do is to copy this. This is actually what we need: the Keplr wallet Atom address, where you see Cosmos 12, whatever that is. That's actually what we need. Okay, so you just copy it. So we just head over to our get.io. So get.io is a crypto exchange with over 2,000 coins supported. Alright, so if you have not registered on get.io, this is an opportunity for you to do so. We've made a video before now how we were able to buy our Atom. Okay, so if you have not watched the video, go ahead to click the link up there now. So we head straight to what? Withdraw. Alright, I always have challenge with my language being in Russia, so I don't know why it's always in Russia, so I'll just try and translate it now. So you head over to this section where you have accounts, then you have withdrawals. So click on withdrawals. Okay, so it should bring you up to this particular screen, so you can now go ahead to initiate the withdrawal process. So it's actually a very seamless process and it should be done just in a bit. So just select the particular coin you want to withdraw. So I have my Atom Cosmos. Alright, so once you've selected the coin, you select the chain. The only chain here is Atom. Alright, so there's a little note here. Note the network you're about to use is Atom. Yes, we are quite aware of that. Then you go ahead to input your address. The address we just copied is what we'll input here. Is that right? So you go ahead to input it. If there's no tag, we don't have any tag, so you click on no tag. Then address description, if any. We don't have any. So the amount that we want to withdraw, since we have 10.47, so let us withdraw 10.39 or so. So you have hourly updates, commission. Okay, this is just the commission. So go ahead to enter your fund password, then go ahead to enter SMS code, email code, and your authentication code. So I hit on send SMS, send this verification. So once we finish entering this, we'll be back in a bit. Alright, so you wait for it to go through. So it brings up this notification. Right, maybe you want to transfer so number of Atom to this blah 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 blah. So I still need to convert this, translate this to English, because I need to see what they are saying. So you can just hit on proceed because this is proceed. And here we are, guys. So in the recent withdrawal session, you notice that we have successfully withdrawn 10.479 Atom to our Keplr wallet address. Is that right? So we are going to head over to Keplr now to see if our funds has reflected, if our Atom has reflected. So this is my Keplr. I'm just gonna refresh it to see what happens. So the essence of us making this video is because we want to do what? We want to get our Atom to Keplr wallet, and eventually we want to do what? Stake our Atom. So as you can see, our Atom is sitting right here on our Keplr wallet. That is super awesome. This is just how to transfer your Atom from exchange, which in this case is gate.io. It can be Binance, it can be FTS, it can be KuCoin, it can be Hotbit, whatever exchange it is almost the same process. Is that right? So from exchange to our Keplr wallet. So hope you got value in this video. In the next video, we'll be learning how to stake our Atom in Keplr wallet. Go ahead to support this channel by smashing the subscribe button. Also like and share this video. Peace out.